Hello my dears, I'm Sasha Sips, the Hendrick's Gin Ambassador to the UK. And today we're going to show you how to make an exquisite Chilli Chocolate Espresso Martini with our Hendrick's Lunar limited release gin in honor of the first quarter moon. So let's get started. First, you'll get out your cocktail shaker, add in a scoop of cubed ice, pour in your Hendrick's Lunar limited release gin, followed by crème de cacao liqueur, coffee liqueur, and then freshly brewed espresso into your cocktail shaker. So first quarter moons are when exactly half the moon is illuminated, 50-50 in light and shadow, hanging in the balance if you like. So this is a time for crucial decision making. Will you go into the light or into the darkness? And finally, drop in a slice of chili, or two, depends how spicy you want it. Let's shake it up. Really go for it to ensure you get that beautiful crema on top of your drink. Double strain your cocktail into your coupe and garnish with cocoa powder to dial up those delicious chocolate notes. The mellow spice and subtle citrus finish of Hendrick's Lunar Gin pairs perfectly with the rich coffee and chocolate notes within the cocktail. It's ever so delightful with food, and Mexican flavors in particular. Chipotle prawn tostadas with fresh lime, for example. Their amazing contrasting textures complement the richness and decadence of this drink. Your favorite cocktail and then some. You fine folk are going to love it.